Me some fried taters. Oh my goodness, looky what's happening up in here. Y'all, I'm just going to share with you right now. I don't feel very proud of myself for this plate of the skillet of taters. I'll just tell you why. For all you people out there that are plumb too lazy to fry you some homemade fried taters, can't get your knife to them taters and crisp them up real good and fry them yourself, Betty has come to your rescue. She sure did. Check that out right there. No, I did not go to the store and buy this. Somebody went shopping for me, and that's what they brought in the bag of groceries I got the other day. And look, don't you just love your Betty Crocker? She already took them taters, didn't peel them. Nope, there's the skin. She took them taters, had them cut up real good, and put a little seasoning packet in there. Let's see, this one is called Parmesan and herb. Go for it, Betty. This is the way it's done, y'all. And if you know me well enough to know, I love my fried potatoes, but I cut them up myself and season them myself. So I did add a little more seasoning to these, but I just love that heart right down in there. Thank you, Betty. Oh, and thanks to my grocery man. You know who you are. Bringing me groceries when I need them. And honey, you know I love my fried taters, but tonight it's going to be Betty Crocker fried taters, called Crispy Skillet Potatoes by Betty Crocker. Thank you. I just can't wait to see what they taste like. Oh, by the way, in my oven right now, there is double chocolate banana bread. Absolutely. It's in there. It's smelling good. I saw it on my friend. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe the delightful dish that Rosalie showed on her page earlier. She made this delicious banana nut bread, like double fudge chocolate banana nut bread. And so I remembered I had 3 bananas that were sitting down here that nobody wanted to eat. Me, because I don't like them totally green or totally brown. So I took them bananas and I put them in a delicious, yummy double chocolate banana nut bread. It's in the oven. I got nuts in it too. The recipe called for sour cream. Guess who didn't have any sour cream? But I did have some cream cheese. So we're going to find out what comes out of the oven here in a little bit. It's got another 40 minutes to bake. So I'm having potatoes by Betty Crocker. And my dessert is by Rosalie. Go check her out. Rosalie, my sweet friend on YouTube. And I don't know how to say her last name, so I'll try to stick it down in the bottom so you can go check her out and see what hers look like. Mine's going to be delicious too. So we'll see what happens. It's DoraBethe, that yarny zebra and stuff, signing out. Oh no, my hand's over the camera. What was I thinking? Okay, remember, Jesus loves you. And he loves me. And we're his favorite. Right, Lucky? Lucky's like, I'm over here on the floor waiting on a potato. Bye for now.